Hello everybody, I've just done a video. I've just done a homemade pizza, making the dough and everything. Done it all, put it in the oven, went away to do a few things, come back, an hour later, it all burnt. It was in the garden, didn't know. So I thought, well, I've got to get you guys a video up. I'm going to have to redo that one. Got to get you guys a video up, so I thought I'd do this. Something I got from Morrisons. I'm going to do a chicken dinner, £2.49p, with some Yorkshire pudding wraps. Never had any of them. So yeah, we're just going to do that. I just thought anything to get you a video up, that's all. So that's home-style, Kershaw's home-style chicken dinner with roast potatoes, carrots, peas and stuffing. £2.49 I think it was, if I can remember. 272 calories is that, I think so. I haven't got my reading glasses on. Nutrition, wherever it is, there it is. Well, it's not going to be the best, is it? We all know that. Have yourselves a look and a pause. Right, how do we cook it then? Let's have a look. Oh, see if I get close because I've got my reading glasses on. Microwave from frozen. Remove the meal from the carton, carefully cut away and remove the film around the roast potatoes. Pierce the film on the other compartments. Place on a plate in the microwave and eat for the instructions. 800 watt morning, so 8 minutes. Cook on full power for 8 minutes. Peel the lid, stir and cook for 4. We recommend that you cook from frozen. So that's easy enough then, isn't it? So we'll do that. We'll do that one. And what about these? I've never had these before. £1.89 I think these was. There's the nutrition. 2 in a pack. And cook from frozen. 200 degrees, 180 fan, 6 minutes in the oven. Preheat your oven as shown, remove all packaging. Place wrap on a baking tray at the top of the oven. Cook for 6 minutes, remove from the oven and cover with foil for 2 before wrapping. Okay, so that's 8 minutes for them all together. Right then, we're going to open it up, we'll have a look. Let me know you've had one of these before. Well, you got a few bits in there, don't you? Some carrots, roast potatoes, your chicken and your stuffing. So we've got to cut away the roast compartment. Yeah, obviously this is going to be it'd be a lot better, wouldn't it, if you had a proper Sunday dinner, if you get me. Do them. And we want 8 minutes. Was it 8 minutes? I think it was 8 minutes, wasn't it? 8 minutes, yes, in the microwave for mine. Right, I've got myself a baking tray for my Yorkshire pudding wraps. I've never actually had a Yorkshire pudding wrap before, ever. Oops. I wouldn't even know how to make one, to be honest with you. How would you get them flat, I suppose? I don't know. Put some on top. Well, there they are, look, there's 2 of them. Will I get both in there? Yes or no? Maybe not. I'm out that. Yeah, it'll be alright like that, I suppose. Anyway, we'll get them in for 6 minutes to start with. Turn that over that way. It flattens a bit. While that's doing in the microwave and that, I've just been reading a few reviews on this chicken dinner. One says, I've seen things in my time, but never chicken that melts. So apparently the chicken melts. Another one says, poor value, very salty. Lots of salty gravy, very little chicken. The other one says, inedible, worst ready meal ever. So this is going to be fun, isn't it? Another one says really nice dinner. The other one says too salty, another one says great. So mixed reviews. It's got a 3-star altogether. So we'll have a look, eh? I'm not expecting the best myself. I'm not even in the camera properly, am I? I'm not expecting the best myself, but we'll see. I'm just reading through a few reviews and just seeing what people were saying about it. Yeah, okay. Shouldn't be much longer. Right, it's been 8 minutes. I'm just giving everything a turn. Got to peel this back and give it a mix. And Yorkshire puddings are just about got to come out. You probably can't see that. Yeah, look. That's all sloppy, isn't it? Right, 4 more minutes for that, and in the meantime I will get the Yorkshire pudding wraps out. There's the Yorkshire pudding wraps. I don't know if you probably can't see them there. There they are. Got to cover them up for a minute or two now with some foil. Nice and loose. Don't burn yourself, Keith, while you do it as well. Okay, so we've got Yorkshire pudding first. There. The stuff's in the microwave, it's done. So I think, what should we try, what should we have on the bottom? Doesn't really matter, I suppose, does it? Because it's going to be... It has been sitting in the microwave. And there's the chicken. Let's get a bit of chicken on. Yeah, there's not much chicken. A couple of little thinny pieces. I don't like this stuffing look. Sloppy stuffing, that's true. Yuck. Few peas. And the roast potatoes. I think I'm going to be able to roll this. It's going to be too big, isn't it? A small one. There we go. That's it. That's the thing. So I'll put it on the foil like this so then I can, I think there's squirt everywhere, is it? Or is it? Yeah. See that? Right, let's have a taste. So, what do you think? Have you had it before? Smells like a dinner. Yeah, let's just have a bite. I've left it a couple of minutes because obviously it's going to be boiling hot. Let's bite into it. It's still warm, still really hot actually. I might leave it a couple of minutes. I don't know if you can see inside there properly. Obviously it's going to be better if you had your own Sunday dinner. I'm going to have a look how to make these wraps. I'm going to do them on a frying pan, or once I start cooking you put some on the top. I don't know how you do it, I'll have to have a look. I have another go because I didn't really get a lot of the Sunday dinner. I can taste something. It doesn't taste. Let me get a fork. Try it individually. I can taste something weird. I can taste something weird. Let me see what it is. Go individually. Roast potato. Don't like them. I think it's the stuffing I can taste weird. The chicken bits. Whatever you can call it that. No, no, no. No, don't like them. Try this stuffing. No. No, that's not for me. That's not for me at all. Not a bad day, you know. That's not for me. Don't like that chicken at all. And I don't like that stuffing. And I don't like them roast potatoes. I don't think the Yorkshire pudding's bad. I mean, not much seasoning on there. A little bit rubbery. Look now, plain. No, sorry, I don't like it. Let me know if you know how to make one of them wraps from scratch. I know how to do the Yorkshire pudding mix, obviously, but how do you get them flat without them rising? You know what I mean? You do it in the frying pan, or you put them in the oven, and then once it starts cooking around the edge, put some on top. I don't know how you do it. Bit of foil on top, and it's going to stick though, innit? Let me know if you know. I'd like to try that on my own. As I say, I don't really like that for the money. No. I say, I'm the old food guy. Just like, subscribe. Sorry about the other video, but I've had to get some up here. I'll have been editing by now, so I'm going to have to crack on a bit. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.